Cebu is well known as the oldest city in the Philippines. Pero alam nyo ba na ang Cebu ay kilalang UNESCO Creative City of Design? And we are here in Cebu to find out why. Mabuhay, ako si Madge, and we got invited by Department of Tourism and TPB in partnership with ASEAN Korea Center to learn more about the destination marketing through digital content. It's a whole day seminar learning more about innovation with storytelling. The next day, we headed to Cauhagan Island. Kilala ang isla na ito bilang island hopping destination near Cebu City. Chill vibe lang ang isla at pwede rin mag-snorkeling. May mga tinitinda rin silang fresh seafood.
Ang laki! Ayan o, sumpo.
Isa rin sa pinagmamalaki ng isla ang paggawa ng quilt. 100% handmade blanket crafted by locals. Every quilt is made by their hard work, imagination, and experience. Binisita rin namin ang showroom ni Kenneth Cobonpue, kilala sa paggawa ng handcrafted furniture. At sa mga likha pa lang nito, makikita mo talaga ang unique design with combination of traditional and modern elements.
Ayun siya. Kahoy talaga siya, pero pag umupo ka, hinuhulma niya yung puwet mo, which is wow.
Alam niyo ba ang puso? Hindi yung puso ng saging ha. Kung hindi, ito. Mas kilala siya sa Visayas at Mindanao as a staple food. Dito niluluto ang bigas na siyang nagiging kanin. Ang paggawa ng puso ay isang tradisyon sa Cebu bago pa man dumating ang mga Kastila. At dito sa making space natin matututunan kung paano siya gawin. Challenging gawin pero sobrang fulfilling.
Ito yung finished product niya. So, if ever hindi ko siya matapos, please note guys na ito talaga itsura niya.
Naway mas marami pang kabataan ang tangkilikin nito. The best way to end the day is to eat Filipino food. Kaya dito tayo sa Atoa, a Michelin guided resto, diri lang sa IT Park Cebu. At alam nyo ba na iilan lang ito why Cebu is the UNESCO Creative City of Design? Mabuhay!